Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across this video, as I said in one of my videos on TikTok, that the next topic is going to be bearing and distances. Don't forget that we just finished on longitude and latitude. Okay, so if you check my page, you will see questions on longitude and latitude. So today we want to look at what bearings and what and distances. So under this now we are going to look at what bearing is all about. That is one thing to consider. The another thing is a type of bearing that we have. We have types of bearing. Then we also go to look at how to calculate the bearings and what and distances. So these are the three things that we are going to consider under this topic. Okay, what is bearing itself? He said bearing gives the direction between 2 points. Bearing gives the direction between 2 points in terms of angles in degree. That is bearing. We said bearing gives the direction between 2 points in terms of what? Of an angle in degrees. Okay. Now we have two types of bearing. We have compass bearing, types of bearing. We have compass bearing. Then we have what? We have what we call three-figure bearing. Three-figure bearing. So all these are what are two types of bearing. Okay. Now what do we mean by compass bearing? And who are those people that are making use of the compass bearing? The pilot. The pilot is one of them. Pilot. Then the sailor and the what is surveyor. So all these are what are the people that are making use of what of compass bearing. Now let me give you this one. What do we mean by compass bearing? When you have four cardinal points, these four cardinal points where we have north, where we have east, where we have what south and what and west. These four cardinal points. Now each of these cardinal is what represents 90. Each of them represents 90. Okay, represent 90. Represent 90. Okay, now we have northeast, then we have what south, what west, southeast rather. We have southeast, then we have south, west, then we have what north, west. And don't forget that northwest means what? Means 45 degree. Northwest means 45 degree. Then the same as southwest, which is what? 45 degree. Okay, then what of east, southeast, which is what 45 at the same time. Okay, then which other thing you need to know under compass bearing? How to draw bearing. Okay, let's say we have how do you draw this type of bearing? Let's say example one now. How do we locate this? So how do you draw? Let me say north 70 degree what east. That is one. Then two is what? Let me say we have south 40 degree what east. Then C. Let's say we have south 35 degree what west. So these are the types of compass bearing. Don't forget, these are the type of what compass bearing that we have. And I told you that the pilot, the sailor, the surveyor, they make use of what compass bearing. So how do you draw this one now? How do you draw them? The first thing you do is to draw your course. What do you mean to draw the course? That is your four cardinal points, which is north, east, south, and what and west. Now the first one is what? The first 70 degree east means what? 70 degree. You measure what? 70 degree towards what? Towards east. This is eastern side, and this is the northern side. So just draw 70 degree and go up like like this. Okay, here is going to be 70 degree, while the remaining angle is going to be 30 degree. So this is how to draw this one. Okay, then the second one is what is south 40 degree east. So how do you draw south 40 degree east? So the same process. What do you do? Just draw the cross, which is known as the first cardinal point, the north part, the eastern part, the south, and then the western part. Okay, now we have south 40 degree in. So we just come to where south is. This is south to east. Okay, so just draw 40 degree, draw your 40 degree like this, then you go down. So there's going to be your 40 degree. Okay, and the remaining angle is what? The remaining angle is going to be 50 degree. So that is how to draw south 40 degree what? East. Then the last one is what? Is south 35 degree or west. South 35 degree west. We have, you draw your cardinal point, which is north, east, south, and what, and west. Okay, now if you look at this one now, this is south and this is what? This is west. So just draw 35, that is 30 from 35, you measure 35 towards west, towards west. So this one will give you like this, the direction is going to be in form of this one. So you write 35 here, 35 degree, and the remaining angle just minus the 90 minus or 90 minus 35. Why is it 90? Because each corner means what? 90 degree. So that's why we need to take away this one to know the remaining angle. And let's minus 90 minus 5 is what? 0 minus 5 cannot go, it's not possible. You go with this one will be 8. So 10 minus 5, what do you have? We have 5. Then 8 minus 3, that is what? That will give you 5. So the remaining angle is 55 degree. So this is how to draw a compass bearing. Please don't forget to do what, to like, to comment, and to share. Thank you.